Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Microsoft that's block macros from running because the source of this file is untrusted Excel when trying to open an Excel document here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to navigate to that Excel document that you are facing an error in opening it. Please do a right click and scroll down and go with Properties. In this window, please proceed with the option called General and look for Attributes. So under the attributes, you can see there an option called Unblock. Just have to check the box and click on Apply and then OK. In my case, I don't have such, but in your case, if you have, check the box. So let's say, for example, this is unblocked. Check that, click on Apply and then OK. Once done, open your Excel document and check if your problem has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to proceed to our second method, which is here at the bottom search bar. Please type for Excel. And the moment you have typed that, please proceed with the best match and go with open to continue. Once you are here at the Excel, you need to proceed with blank workbook. Click on it and go at the upper left side of that where you can see an option called File. Scroll down and go with Options. Click on it and a new window would appear, which is the Excel option. Sorry. You need to proceed at the left side of that and look for an option called Trust Center and go with Trust Center Settings. Under the Trust Center window, you need to proceed with Trusted Locations. Click on it and here in this tab, trusted locations, you need to proceed with add new location. And in this window, you need to copy the path that you have in your Excel document. So let me just close this and adjust the size first. Okay, so adjust the size so that we can see our Excel document. So please do a right click, scroll down and go with properties. And here you can see a location where it is being placed or saved. Control C to copy. And once you have copied it, proceed with file, go with options, navigate the same process in this window. Proceed with your trust center, go with trust center settings, go with add new location and paste the path here. Control V to paste. And once you have pasted it, click on this box. Subfolders of this location are also trusted. Once you have checked it, click on OK and go with OK. So it says here the specified path has already been added to your trusted location. Close this window and it is being added here in your windows. It is being placed at the first. Once done, close all of this window and check if your problem has been fixed. So open your Excel document and wait until you are being redirected to the Excel program and now it is opening. Okay? So simply close this window and you're good to go. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.